I'm back. So it's been a really long hiatus since I've been filming and just posting or doing anything lately because having a newborn and 2 older kids is like a whole different ballgame. So when I heard from my favorite RPG show about this wig, I just knew I had to try it. This is one of their collections. I don't want to mispronounce it, so I'll put all the details below. But I have literally never done a look this short before. This is a Pixie Cut, okay? Super short. But what better look than to do like a super short vibe for, you know, postpartum, no time. And also I don't want baby girl pulling and yanking on the hair, even if it's not mine, okay? So of course she's got a strap, combs, and is adjustable, so you need to make her tighter, you can. Okay, of course my ears are making these parts lift up right here, so ignore that. But look at lace, hairline. So you still have a lot of versatility and options with it, even though, you know, it is super short. I think it's gonna need a little bit of styling. It's because, I don't know, it's just different for me. You know, when you try something new, sometimes you tend to feel a little weird about it. So it's all right. We're gonna trust the process and see how this goes. Let's go. Let me know down below which look was your favorite, if you prefer the side part or if you like it just a little messy, natural, laying in the front. I think either is cute, honestly, but I'm curious to see which you guys liked better. So I did end up keeping it in that side part for the first couple days. Like I had it parted this way, but now I'm actually just trying it straight across. And again, I love that this is just such a versatile look that I could do either one and it still looks great. It's like I'm not even wearing a wig. I'm used to having like irritation from long lengths or getting hot, aggravated, and then of course baby girl will let me know real quick if a wig is not working or if it's even frustrating her because, you know, it's touching her face or getting in her way. I honestly can't believe how comfortable this wig is. Like, for me to have had it on for several days and I'm still not tired of it really says a lot. It's so easy to style, it's versatile, spray a little bit of water and she is good to go. It doesn't even irritate me at night. It's not even like I have to wrap it up. You just put on the bonnet and go to bed. Like, what else could you ask for from a wig? Not to mention the fit is great. I don't even have anything on the center part. It is completely glueless. All I did was place a little bit of product on the corner tabs just so I can run my fingers through it and make sure that nothing's gonna move. If you want it to be even more, you know, slicked down, then I would use a hot comb, but I'm trying not to use heat on my wigs as much as possible if it's not necessary. So I'm gonna rock with it like this, see how it is tonight, probably wrap it up, and I'll keep you guys posted on this unit. Let me know what you guys think about it. All the details will be down below and I'll see you next time. Bye.